Good morning, Mr. Davies. Just checking in before your procedure today. We need to confirm you've been adhering to the dietary instructions.
Oh, good morning, Mihira. Yes, I think so. I haven't had anything solid since midnight, just some water. My wife made me a small cup of black coffee first thing, without milk or sugar, of course, because I usually have quite a strong brew to start the day.
Thank you for that, Mr. Davies. The nothing by mouth rule, or NBM, is quite strict. Even that black coffee, unfortunately, could be problematic. The doctor specifically requested no liquids other than plain water after midnight. We've had a few instances where seemingly harmless sips have led to delays.
Really? Just black coffee? I thought it was only food that was the issue. I even skipped my usual early morning medication, the blood pressure pill, because I knew I wasn't supposed to take anything. I'm usually very careful about my health.
I appreciate your diligence with the medication, Mr. Davies. That was correct. However, for this particular procedure, it's crucial that your stomach is completely empty. Even a small amount of liquid, like coffee, can increase the risk of aspiration during anesthesia, which means stomach contents could accidentally enter your lungs. This is a rare but serious complication. That's why we emphasize the clarity around plain water only, and then nothing at all closer to the time. We want to ensure the safest possible environment for your procedure.
I see. So it's about the anesthetic, not just digestion. Mihira, that makes more sense now. I wish they'd explained that bit more clearly on the sheet.
Absolutely. We try to be comprehensive, but sometimes the specifics get lost.
Mihira, it is completely natural to feel a bit overwhelmed when managing a wound, but understanding the steady steps toward healing can help bring some peace of mind. The priority is to ensure the area stays clean and protected so the body can do its remarkable work. Generally, a healthcare professional will begin by gently cleansing the site to remove any debris or bacteria, followed by the application of a specialized dressing that maintains the ideal moisture balance for skin repair. If there are signs that the body needs extra help fighting off germs, a course of antibiotics might be prescribed. Throughout this process, managing comfort is a top priority, and appropriate pain relief will be coordinated to ensure the recovery period is as restful as possible. To provide the most precise care, a doctor will conduct a thorough physical examination to assess the depth and state of the tissue. Mihira, this might involve taking a small swab culture to identify specific bacteria or ordering blood tests to monitor the body's internal response. In some cases, an X-ray is used simply to ensure everything beneath the surface is healing correctly. Following these clinical steps ensures that the treatment is tailored exactly to what is needed for a full recovery. Keeping the area dry and following the scheduled follow-up in the coming week will be the final pieces of the puzzle.